So here is a quick video of no start and stumbling on an Audi A4 B8. So it's a 2011. I had the code P2293. Okay, so first check the fuse. The fuse was good. Then I checked the relays. The relays were good. Next up, I opened the high pressure fuel pump. The cams were good, and there was no wear on the cams or the follower. So the high pressure side was great. Then my next logical thing was to check the fuel pump here, and there was no power to the fuel pump. So it wasn't even a matter of changing the fuel pump. There was no power. Then I checked the controller module, and there was no way to check. So I just swapped the controller module because everything else checked out. And sure enough, once I changed it, it fires right up.